Hello everyone. Nisha Sanjeev here with you. And today's topic, if you want to manifest easily, quickly, then kill this one habit. You might be wondering, what is that one habit that you need to kill? This is it. Welcome into the world of jealousy. How comfortable are you when you see another person achieve or get that which you have been yearning for a long time? Ask yourself that question. I had it big time, very honestly. Jealousy was big with me. As a teenager, I always dreamt of, or my only aim and my dream and my ambition then as a teen was to be an author, to publish my own books and many, many books. But life happened and I had to become a journalist to pay the bills. Whenever I saw or read about people, celebrities, laymen, writers, established writers publishing their books, I would get so restless. It would make me feel so uncomfortable. I would like, oh, she has it all easy. She has to just put her legs up and just write. She doesn't have to do a full-time job. She has everything going for her. Oh, he has all contacts in the right places and he knows all the publishing world. I would try to find a reason to bring them down or not give them the whole credit for writing that book, because I was so jealous about anybody who published books. Right? Until my mentor pointed that out to me and I started working on it. And magically, trust me friends, magically, when I started working on it, when I started working on my jealousy, when I started feeling happy for all published people, when I saw a person get published, whoever it is, be it a celebrity, an established writer, or a lay person, I sincerely, honestly started feeling happy for them. Oh, how good they might be feeling now, holding their book, smelling their book. When I started sincerely feeling happy for them, my path started opening. You won't believe this. If you are jealous about anything about others having that you want to have and you are trying to manifest, start feeling good about that for others. Your way will start opening up. And that's how I started. I published my first book. And my second book happened. The more you start working on yourself, the more your dreams will manifest. Be it anything. If you want more money, for example, you want to manifest X amount of money, and you see a wealthy person and you say, oh, he's so corrupt, he makes money in illegal ways. Oh, she's so corrupt. Don't judge, don't criticize. However they make the money, you see somebody making money that you want to make, feel happy for them that, oh, at least they're making it. You want to live in a good home, you want to live in a big villa, nice, beautiful villa, and you see somebody else having a brand new one, and you say, oh, she's inherited a lot of wealth. Oh, she's hit the jackpot. No, don't criticize, don't judge. Be happy. Oh, she's getting to live in that. Something that I wanted to do. And one more thing, be happy because it's coming into your universe. What you want to manifest, what is your dream, when that is coming in your universe, that is also a sign that your manifestation is nearing. And what are you doing? By being jealous, by being judgmental, by criticizing, you're pushing it out. Make sense? So don't criticize, don't judge. Just remove that jealousy from every cell of your body. And do you know why you get jealous? Because we are insecure. When you are insecure, you are jealous. And why are you insecure? Because you do not have faith in your own abilities. Because you do not trust the universe. That is why you are insecure. And that insecurity surfaces as jealousy. And jealousy is self-sabotaging. Why is jealousy self-sabotaging? As we just saw, because it is low vibrating energy, and in that low vibrating space, all that you will attract is more of what you want to feel jealous about. Number one. And number two is, as I always say, no amount of visualization, scribing, journaling, meditating. You can read as many books, you can do as many, adapt and follow as many rules of law of attraction and manifestation, but nothing will work if you are inherently a jealous person. It will not work. So how do we overcome jealousy? Number one, own it up. Own it up. Accept that you are jealous. Fess it up. Fess up. Confess if you've hurt another person because of your jealousy. Fess up. Confess it. Number two, sit by yourself and ask yourself, what is it that is making you insecure? Why aren't you having faith in your abilities and capabilities? Why aren't you trusting the universe? Ask yourself these questions. Point number three, how to overcome jealousy is, do not compare yourself to others. Each person's path is different. Each person's destination is different. Each person's purpose in this lifetime is different. Do not compare and contrast. Point number four, how to overcome jealousy. Do the 100% swap exercise. Now, what is 100% swap exercise? This is a fun exercise and so very effective. 100% swap exercise. If you are jealous about another person having what you want, what you wanted, or what you are trying to manifest, try to put yourself in that person's life. Swap your life with the other person. Take everything that he or she has, live their life. You want another person's job, you're jealous because the other person has got the job that you've been trying to manifest. Okay, see that you are living that job of that person, you're living in the same house as that, you're living in that house of that person, you're having the relationships that that person is having, you're traveling to the places that person is having, you're having the financial status that person is having, you're having the social status that person is having, and you're having all the illnesses and terminal illnesses that person is having. Want to do that? When you do 100% swap exercise, you take all the good and all the bad of the other person. Very effective exercise. Do it. That's point number 4. And last but not the least, point number 5 on how to overcome jealousy. Count your blessings every single day. Have a gratitude journal before you hit the bed. Write at least 5 points that you are grateful for, that you have in life. No matter how miserable your life may be now, there will be at least 5 things. At least you're alive and you're breathing. That itself is good enough. Right? These are the 5 ways. And before I wind up, I want to remind you all about the next Conscious Manifestation batch that is starting on November 1. Go to my website nishasanjeev.com, and if you're interested to join me in my journey of manifesting, you can also come in. We meet on every Saturdays. So go to the website, register if you so wish, or if you want to attend the free webinar and learn the 3 steps and hit the road running, you're most welcome. The link to the free webinar registration is down below in the description box. You can learn the 3 steps and start manifesting easily and quickly. If you resonate with what I said, if you like it, if you think it's useful, and if you know of people who want to hear this, please like it, share it, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel as well. Until next time, until next week when I come back with another video, be happy. God bless.